Hey pretties! In today's video, I'll share a simple and relaxing school night routine to help you unwind, stay productive, and prepare for the next day. From tackling chores and homework to enjoying some me time, this routine will keep you on track while ensuring you get plenty of rest. Let's dive in. Get home and organize your things. The moment you step into your house, start by putting your school stuff in order. Place your bag where it belongs, on your desk, in a corner, or on a hook by the door. This small habit will save you from scrambling for your things in the morning. Take your lunchbox and water bottle straight to the kitchen and get them washed. Trust me, this simple step makes your morning so much smoother. Shower and slip into comfy clothes. After a long day, nothing feels better than a refreshing shower or even just washing your face and hands. Say goodbye to the school day and hello to relaxation. Change into your comfiest clothes to signal to your brain that it's time to wind down. Enjoy a quick snack and relax. Grab a light snack, maybe a sandwich, soup, or some leftover breakfast, and recharge. While snacking, take 20 to 30 minutes to chill. Scroll through social media, watch a quick YouTube video, or catch up on your favorite show. Just be mindful of the time, so you can move on to the next part of your evening. Get homework out of the way. Once you're refreshed, it's time to hit the books. Start with homework that's due tomorrow, prioritizing the subjects you find tricky. Dedicate 30 to 45 minutes to stay focused and get it done. No homework? Great. Use this time to revise your notes or study ahead for the next day. Knock out your chores. Now is the perfect time to tackle any chores. Whether it's taking out the trash, tidying your room, or helping with dishes. Getting these done early clears your evening for relaxation and keeps your parents happy too. Prep dinner and tomorrow's meals. If you're old enough, lend a hand in making dinner. While you're at it, prep your breakfast or school lunch for the next day. This little effort tonight will save you precious time in the morning, especially if you're not a morning person. Sit down for dinner. Dinner is your chance to unwind even more. If you're eating with family, enjoy the conversation and share stories about your day. If you're eating alone, use the time for reflection or to relax in peace. Just don't forget to clean up after yourself. Refresh with skincare and hygiene. After dinner, freshen up with another quick shower. Brush your teeth and follow a simple skincare routine. A cleanser and lightweight moisturizer are all you need for glowing, healthy skin. Don't have fancy products? No worries. Even a good face wash with cold water works wonders. Pick tomorrow's outfit. Save time and stress by planning your outfit for the next day. Lay out your clothes, check your school shoes, and make sure everything is clean and ready to go. Stretch or do light exercise. Take 10 minutes to stretch or do some light exercises. It's a great way to relax your body, relieve tension, and even burn a few calories before bed. Journal your thoughts. Grab your journal and jot down the highlights of your day. Things you're grateful for, funny moments, or even little rants about what annoyed you. Journaling is a great way to clear your mind and reflect before sleep. Revise and review your notes. Spend some time going over what you learned at school. Revising now makes it easier to retain information and feel confident for upcoming tests. Test yourself with practice questions and make sure you nail the answers. Take a moment to pray. If you're religious, take a quiet moment to pray or meditate. It's a peaceful way to end the day. Express gratitude and find inner calm. Go to bed early. Finally, aim to hit the bed by 9 or 10 p.m. Getting enough sleep is the ultimate key to feeling refreshed and ready to conquer the next day. Prioritize rest. It's your secret weapon for success. I hope this routine helps you end your day on a high note and wake up feeling your best. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more amazing beauty tips and hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.